What's happening, traders? I just want to go over what happened in the chat room today, some of the trading results and some of the money that the members made in the chat room along with myself. It makes all the hard work that I put in on this, and it's here, it's 11 o'clock at night. I'm still working on Wednesday night. Makes all the hard work that I put in well worth it when I see members succeeding in the chat room. It is late. I work all the time, but I love this stuff, guys. I love helping people even more, and I love it even more than that when I see people that I'm helping make money and succeed. If they make more money than me, succeed more than me, then the more the merrier. I love it even more. But in the chat room, guys, I just want to show you, for example, the evening before, if there's earnings coming out, I will alert the earnings. I will alert if it's an earnings miss or earnings beat. Was it an earnings beat and a revenue miss, so on and so forth. So, here's what I was doing the day before, yesterday on Tuesday evening. And that kind of gives us an idea of some of the stocks we may or may not play the following day. But this morning, of course, my eyes was on MSN. It was popping. It was gap down. And that was a play on my pre-market watch list. And actually, I was guiding that thing 2 points on MSM here. Actually ended up being about 5 points, the gap down, and it popped up 5 points, and I alerted that MSM was popping. I was on VISL. Of course, that was a big runner today. Room to 378 needs to hold 343. So I was alerting this thing before 343, and I guided it all the way up to 850. So if you was in the chat room this morning, you could have caught this VISL from $3.30 to $8 plus intraday, but we ran it up for about 3 to 4 points pre-market before the opening bell at 9:30 there. We had this member here make a little bit of money, $50.84. This guy plays with smaller size, but he's making money. Green is green. I don't care what the amount is. I'm giving guidance on the SPY, guys, because you always want to look at the SPY in relation to what you're trading. A lot of the stocks that you play are going to be affected by the SPY, whether the market, whether it is going up or going down. This was all pre-market before the bell even opened, guys. Now, when the bell was getting ready to open here, I'm giving you guidance on, for example, Levi broke the downtrend to the upside, room to 2220. HELE finally moving a bit, room to 145.27. Now, if you looked at my videos that I put on Instagram and Facebook and some other social media, I actually took HELE short at the open, the starter size, and it went against me, and I flipped it and took it long and turned a red trade into a green trade. So you're not always going to be right. As a matter of fact, you're going to be wrong a lot on this trading, but it's how you manage a trade and how you handle that loss, what is part of what makes you successful in trading. This member here is showing his short on Levi. He made some money here. You see here, we got members all over the places today. It was just making money like crazy. Let's get down to some of the profits here. This member here made $1,425 on HEHE. And you can see here we had 6 points to the upside on HEHE and 5 points to the downside on HELE. I'm sorry, not HEHE. This member here made $1,425 on HELE, as I said. Let's see here. And here are some of my profits on Roku, $920 short scalp trade here. Tesla, $1,300, went long on the stock intraday. Here is some profits from HELE short, $2,926 on that one. Let's see here. We have this member here, $1,675 on HELE as well. You rock, and they were actually misspelling it because I was. When you're in a rush, guys, it's hard to get everything correct 100%, but they know what stock I was talking about. It was on a pre-market list there. Let's see here. And, pretty much throughout the day, members were just putting out the money they're making. This was a $650 profit on a Levi short. Members ask me about their thoughts. My thoughts on OSTK, of course, I would give them you know, what what the chart is doing technically, using my technical analysis. But you know, throughout the day, guys, this member here made $500 on Tesla. We scalped it long intraday for I think a point and a half, 2 days. Here was my intraday 1.5 points with Tesla. Made $1,800 intraday on it. This member made $300 on Tesla intraday. It was 2.5 points total. This member made he actually took the stock for 2.5 points on TSLA on 50 shares only, but made money. You know, in BYND, I actually scalped it long as well. Another $900 profit here. You know, so I just wanted to share some of this with you guys to let you know that, you know, I'm in the chat room to help you guys, to guide you the best I can with all the knowledge that I've learned over the years. If you want to join the chat room, or if you want to join the chat room and be mentored, go to jlawtrading.com, fill in your information, guys, and we'll get back in touch with you, and we'll have a discussion one-on-one, whether or not you want to be a member or a member and to be mentored. So I hope you guys are trading safe. If you need any help with anything, reach out to me, and I'll do the best I can to help you.